Hi, this is Muhammad from Attribution agency. Today I will show you why enhanced conversion is so important for video business and e-commerce stores. Normal conversion tracking often misses data due to cookie restriction and cross-device behavior. Enhanced conversion tracking solves this problem by sending has customer data like email and phone number to Google Ads, making tracking more accurate. Let me share my screen and show you. Now let me show you how I set up here inside the Google Tag Manager. You can see I already added a enhanced conversion tag. If I click here, then you can see from submission triggered. So I just send a edit user data variable. I send phone number, email. The from submission data like email and phone number is automatically captured and has before being sent to Google Ads. And here the Google Ads account. So you can see here conversion are being recorded much more accurately with enhanced. So you can see. Conversion is active. For this B2B website, almost every lead is now tracked properly. Let's look the e-commerce store. So here in the GTM, I already configured, I already add a enhanced conversion tags. You can see here. So if I click here, for this conversion, I already set up conversion tracking for purchase with enhanced conversion tracking. Since this website e-commerce, I already configure enhanced conversion on the purchase page, customer address from checkout like email address, phone number and others are passed sequentially to Google Ads. So in the Google Ads account, you can see here result the purchase working improved by just in the Google Ads account. You can see here the result purchase tracking improved by 20%, campaigns are optimized better and ROS has increased. And if you you can see here enhanced conversion is working correctly as well also console mode. So you can see here enhanced conversion tracking is a game changer for both B2B business and e-commerce business. If you want help setting up for your business through GTM, Google Ads or even server side tracking, feel free to reach out. Thank you so much for watching the video.